Okay, this time we are learn about the basic texture. So what do I mean basic? Because we only learn 4 main textures for today, and there are hundreds of the texture we have to learn. Okay, so first one is very common we use is hatching. So what do I mean hatching? Hatching is like similar like the shading. We have the diagonal line or horizontal line or vertical line, but they always go one direction. Okay, so that is hatching. And the hatching, he has a brother called crosshatching. So what do I mean crosshatching? So let me use the similar color because they are the cousins. Okay, so crosshatching is like the hatching. We start with the hatching, and they are on the same directions, right? Just like the hatching we did. And cross means the 2 lines have to cross to each other. They have to join and separate. So we have to change the direction. Could be vertical or horizontal or another diagonal. Whatever which way they have to have the Greek or the cross. So that's why we can say that is the cross hatching. Okay, and loose line. Loose line just like the scribbling. So we have the line rollings around to fully color in your shape. So that's the rule lines. Okay, and stippling. Stippling is like the dart. So we just put the darts as many as we can, and it takes times. So when we use the stippling, we use that when we want to do a sand, something rough. Then we will use the stippling to color on our joints. Okay, if you want to do the playground and we have the sand on the ground, then you might use the stippling to color. Right, so that's why we have to learn the stippling as well, but it really takes time. Okay, so you have to be more patient when you're doing the stippling. Okay, so hatching, cross hatching, loose light, and stippling, they both can do dark to light. Okay, so let me get the pencil crayon, but you can use the marker if you want to. Okay, so the hatching, you can make the gap in between more close to each other. It looks darker, and the gap become far away. It become brighter. So see, the gap in between is more close. It looks darker, and the gap more far away. It looks brighter. So that's do the cross hatching. So same thing, I want to have my cross hatching from dark, medium, light. So I have to change the gap in between, right? And it's cross hatching, so I have to change the another direction. Then I still have dark to light and loose light. So when the rolling becomes smaller and more tight to each other, it looks darker. And the rolling is getting bigger, it looks brighter. Okay, and the last one, stippling. I want to use the marker to do it because the pencil crayon is too small. I have to take lots of time to do it. So stippling, you can have the dark more close to each other, then you can have the color looks darker. So let me finish one corner. Okay, then I leave the gap become bigger to do my middle color. And even bigger for my brighter color. So we can have dark to light. Okay?